Greetings everybody, we're back again. This football, we're back, we're analyzing the football games. Yeah, Betway Premiership, Skipper, ngvano banla.
Sasko buko lo.
Yeah, we're back in Betway Premiership, Orlando Pirates 3, Colenero 0. Bram, benjani game?
The game was one-sided, me bro, man. Paris was dominating.
Yeah.
They were playing like farewell game.
Sure.
So they were proving it. Yeah.
Yeah. So Bram, when I'm up again, Colenero sila kupi.
Colenero, man. It's like his players, the way badlaling corner, man, it was not convincing. Players were all over. Maybe but a chance one, Mara still. There was nothing about the life.
Sure.
Their midfield was off, nothing. Keeper, nothing when we today. They were off. It's like people available to us. They want to come, let's play. Nothing. They were convincing.
So Bram, when I'm up again, like, what is it like? Orlando Pirates ends right namhlanje.
Orlando Pirates, actually one. How was the introduction of Ushenko? Kalisi game Ushenko.
Sure, Dlamini.
Fit. This style I'm shit. I'm fit. Ushenko, Dlamini, couple of Dlamini, fit. When's ways be easy.
Sure.
That creativity Pirates need to the midfield, making sure good defense of the opponent is always there to check good wins on.
Sure.
Because from there, man, Usilepe no Makaula were just balancing the middle every ball by clean one nigga play at same time. Yeah, I think Pirates must have a game play now.
Sure. Mar Bram opegile silebe Bram like into special ngai opegile.
I wanna Jose Rivero.
Yeah.
Your coach.
Yeah.
A player from MTC to Pirate to first team. It takes time to adapt.
Sure.
I understand. Amara, a player who Jose Rivera is introduced to Pirates. Like it's like a player available. Who's already professional, Brian. The mentality, everything. About this boy, Sleep, and Udala, the hot man, La Panama Kaula, Brian. That boy knows something special, and they're like calm. That's what they like.
Control,
I understand.
Yeah.
And the way me Paula, I come 2 times. Yeah, can go talking Bambale Paula. There's I'm looking for my player. Sally Paula symbol, and I have a leg. You are walk. Yeah, can go. This is my position. I'm vie anyway. Sure, man.
Mbogazi.
Oh, TLB in fit.
What a special player, Bram.
TLB in forward to. I want to Mbogazi in fit. Like Pirates, I saw we should be Jose Rivera Gavai until we said we are the whole defender Pirates. Because I I wanted to see like other combinations of a defense high.
Sure.
Like the way Jose Rivera rotated squads because Mbogazi in fit to fit it like a glove. Because as the defense Pirates, they were worried after Undano, Cesar those injuries. We were worried because of the combination USBC. Not that was not that good. But Mbogazi, same time introduced someone to first team, fitted like a glove, clean. Every game consistent in fit. The boy 90 minutes are used on fit, too fresh. Always every game. That boy is a star fit. Just a matter of time, no actually call up to his national team.
Sure. So Bram, mawubhekile like manje, Mfukeng, Nkotha, Mabasa. Mabasa ubuyile nangamakathola chance yakora.
Yeah.
And Pirates uyazi ku striking force still is a problem. Mabasa amahupa.
Sure.
Radio Pan na uthola chance. Radio Pan ku first team na akazi kahle. What can you say to these strikers, Bram? Qala ngo Radio Pan.
After Radio Pan, one of the unluckiest person with Pirates.
Sure.
Because this team here Pirates in fact everyone is performing.
Yeah.
But I can see him now, I can feel like he's that guy like maybe like I had to feel like left out because every time I told a chance, I the way I found and even today I thought people if I told goal one because you Pirates was dominated. Challenge one goal maybe some kind of motivation going forward like as a striker. Yeah, moving on to Nkotha. Afethu man Nkotha man akazi ukuthi ufuna which sharpener to be good in fact. The boy in a skill in everything. The only thing a short time fact man. Ngase mayabona mase petty ball mfethu. Petty ball shy play then look up for your players. Sure mfethu. Cause incane mfethu ni shot kule boy. Nkotha receive ball clean. On the player shy. Same time ngase uniki player yakho after that or if ivulekile
khona.
Sure final passing nje lemshaya mshita. Mufuke ngimafethu.
Asafuna ukukhuluma
naye. Yeah. Then to strikers Pirates mfethu. Mabasa I like him. Like as I said he's a clinical finisher, it doesn't miss. But one thing sometimes feeling disagree ngai. Sometimes man is a striker me bro. Uyambona na ngiyambona yazama udropa as a corrective ball. But as a striker man share ball now you start space. I would show mfethu uthi outside the area no and you see ukuthi you have like 5 players of Pirates attacking when you want to shoot. Me bro, no, we are Safaris, I know. Tina, we went in so that this will create us some more chances to score.
Sure.
When I want to shoot, and from there, now we must go pick and mark. Yeah, so I think that's the only thing about some man. But not every time you must shoot. Sometimes Sherry Polo get a space in. That's what Umakopa like. Which is Rivera can say. Sometimes I'm prefer over the guy. Makopa Brawam like Umshita. He pole etwar. But me pola same time Kaya. The player near him, same time in 30 space, was also create more chances in a boxing.
Sure.
I shoot it any time, and that's the preference who chose. I can say I feel like Umakopa. Then remember I say clinical. In fact, I think that's the only thing I work on. Pass it polling in a space in, because you're na and clean in shoot.
So Bram, nae man, enyintwana nae matiba Bram ni simbone 2 games against Golden Arrows. Namhlanje umbone kanjani? Matiba Bram, like ngifila ngathi there's something eshotayo kuntwana man. Left back position.
Ngiyambona lapha Matiba from the development of Paris. But I got convincing for me in fit one. Paris must go to market me bro.
For left back.
Sure, fit. Must go to market. Like hot on field to like. So one of the players consistent with Paris Mara. So they can rely until next season. Go to market.
Kuno Marco. So when I'm opegile banga etaban.
Currently, compared to left back in South Africa, that is good. Keep Pasadine from Stellenbosch.
Sure.
And you can feel like a glove with Pirates. Because the system is like Pirates, like the system of attacking. Sure. Of a full back. Yeah, Pasadine, in fact, at there. Because what he's doing that to Kamara. Only one thing here in a short again.
Yeah, sure.
Like take an hour and so good. Okay. I'm from the Tolly Paul, Magnica symbol. I'm from shy shoe power when I'm doing things. I'm from cross because hot on to crossing Zach sometimes are not convincing us like Haibo, like what was happening to this guy's mentality. So yeah, man.
So Ntwana, a new player, just number 46, Tausen. Captain ye TTC Ntwana like ungena ngeconfidence yambona ama touches wakhe there's something special lapha ya
me bro
first debut ya debut game yakhe unlike coach uyahamba lo muntu bekazomu introduce amwamguy mo game time mbona kanjani Ntwana
bro I feel for supporters of Paris me bro
I beside leyo focus ku Ntwana
sure yeah like sengisisho introduction yalo mfana like udancing in fact Jose Rivera in fact I can say Golden I too you play as a Paris from MTC in fact because the boy that time angena lapha uTansin like bengimbona from MTC yeah fine akuna flop mara today like confidence ayanayo
ungathi
galaza understand sure in fact lengisho ukuthi Jose Rivera the confidence ekaya young players it's like in fact angazi in fact man I want today in fact on this last 10 minutes akaya Rivera udlalile umfana high confidence which is a good thing in fact and I so we shall continue naye as kune young players abafana ufukeng and also big players like abafana nabo Makhawula mfethu hayi ukhona manje yazi ezantwana usiphethe grand sure mfethu it's a lot they can learn and what I like in midfield I understand
Brian
sure
yes this is a tough one to take as a Pirates fan nami like ngizusubhlungu ngiyangithola end of an era for coach Jose Riveiro
sure.
What can you say, Bryce? Jose Rivera has lost a father. Izwangit has lost, man. Coach Yahamba, man, is a father to a player. A coach, one of the best one for Pirates, Bram.
Pirates, in fact. I Jose Rivera fit lost HM, I can see. Because the guy, in fact, to Pirates was playing like as a team.
Sure.
Every game, even if Pirates, like, you can take one player, Afagamunyi, like, yeah, you can see that slight change, but still they go forward.
Sure.
Chose a very unfair style of play. Like Pirates, clean. I so wish the next coach I'm told to can have the same or similar philosophy.
Sure.
I started afresh because these young players, the mentality to Jose Rivera's guys on I so we should coach who's coming in for Yena have the same mentality of young players.
Sure.
Because young Jose Rivera just guy something else in South Africa. Good giving young players is not like you saying good I'm waiting for the player to 10 25 young understand sure like he plays and one as a Pirates in fact guy chance ngoise khona no
so when I'm opegile manje like kuba nomuntu Pirates maybe mlando ukuthi this is the best replacement Jose Rivera
me bro Pirates in fact the way air recruiter ngai Jose Rivera I think they can go the similar way again in fact because I'm not thinking I want this like
any South African coach
no South African coach no I doubt it's a good thing for Pirates coach because the way ngikhuluma ngayo as fans,
Sure.
I understand. As South African fans, my bro, Tina, if we take a South African coach, we have very high expectations. Let's say maybe we take this coach and we know he philosophy to this team.
Sure.
But if you on this other team, maybe I change the dynamic of it, then the team just start to lose.
Sure.
So I can say South African coaches were kind of impatient.
Oh,
I
yeah,
understand,
yeah.
sure. So I think Pirates can go to the same way. They scouted
And
coach.
they can get someone
Sure,
maybe special.
mate.
Yeah. Maybe they can just stick to the philosophy.
Sharp.
So Bram, any message to Jose Riveiro going forward? His new club, new home. What can you say?
Coach Rivero, my bro. Yeah. Coach, you showcase South Africa. Football, you showcase who South Africa is talent. On top of that, because Umufugeng Blossom went into a national team. Now he's a regular player, I can say national team.
Yeah.
There are some young players who just introduced. They are upcoming, even the coach national team, even so Dukuti. Just a matter of time, this player Blossom to national team. So Jose Rivero, just continue to what you're doing, man. To your next team. Yeah, I think if this message can go further to your next team, I think I so wish he can continue that philosophy because he's just showcased good South African and Africa as a whole has good football. Like the Pirates Ibrahim has been hungry for so much time to go to a CAF champion. And he proved like in his first season in CAF Champions League all the way to semi-final with the young players on top of that thing. So yeah, I so wish he can continue that thing, my bro.
Thank you, Bram. Thank you to our followers. Thank you, everyone at home. And we'd like to say all the best to Jose Riveiro for everything he's done for the club. 5 trophies for the club. And then all the best to his endeavors future. And then don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. This is Mzansi Football. Danko.